Welcome. In this tutorial, we will show you how to download TikTok on your mobile. Let's begin. If you are using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. If you are on an iPhone, open the Apple App Store. In the search bar, type TikTok and tap the search or enter button. Look for the TikTok app with the recognizable black icon featuring a colorful music note. Once you have located TikTok, tap the install button on Android or the get button on iPhone. If prompted, authenticate using your password, Face ID, or fingerprint. The app will start downloading depending on your internet speed. This may take a few seconds to a few minutes. Once the download is complete, TikTok will automatically install on your device. After installation, tap Open to launch the app. Alternatively, you can find TikTok on your home screen or in your app drawer.